Welcome to this Tennessee countryside retreat, where a quiet country road opens to 240 acres of beautiful, usable land filled with opportunity. This rare property combines privacy, natural beauty, and working acreage with 2 ponds, open pastures, barns, and mature woods that create a peaceful and scenic setting. Its own living area, office, bathroom, and bedroom, making it ideal for guests or extended family. Enjoy relaxing evenings in the cozy den or entertain in the bonus room featuring a built-in wet bar. Equestrian and farm-ready improvements include a 6-stall barn, hay barn, and 3 pasture sheds. Formerly a successful alpaca farm, the back acreage is cleared and well-suited for cattle, horses, or continued agricultural use. Wildlife is abundant, offering excellent recreation and hunting potential. The front 25 acres were previously divided into 5 5-acre tracts, presenting future development possibilities or the option to maintain additional privacy. An additional 40 acres is currently producing hay, creating built-in income potential. Whether you are looking for a working farm, private estate, or long-term investment, this Tennessee property offers space, versatility, and endless possibilities.